Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Jupiter EA for MT4, currently available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Starting here on the marketplace page, we can see that Jupiter EA is priced at 200 US dollars with rental options available for 1 month at 30 US dollars and 1 year at 100 US dollars. This is version 1.2 of the EA, and according to the listing, it was last updated on September 12th, 2017. Looking through the description, Jupiter EA is presented as a fully automated trading system designed to capture short-term market fluctuations. The developer explains that the strategy applies box theory to the Forex market. According to the marketplace information, the EA first identifies the medium-term trend and then analyzes short-term resistance levels within what the developer refers to as a box structure. Now, the description states that when price breaks a resistance level, the EA opens trades based on the medium-term trend while also considering the breakout direction. The developer further explains that the system incorporates a grid method but with several controls intended to limit risk exposure. For example, there is a maximum order limit parameter, and the spacing between orders is described as adaptive rather than fixed. As I continue through the page, the developer also highlights additional protection mechanisms, although the exact details are not fully disclosed. Another feature mentioned is the built-in time filter, which includes automatic GMT offset calculation during live trading, helping simplify setup for different broker environments. The marketplace listing provides some clear recommendations as well. Jupiter EA is recommended for use on the M15 timeframe and has been optimized for XAU USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, GBP NZD, and GBP CAD. The developer also recommends using a 5-digit ECN broker, keeping the risk setting below 20, and conducting backtests with 99.9% modeling quality. Moving into the settings section, there are options for fixed lot sizing or dynamic lot sizing through the risk parameter. The EA also includes controls for trading hours, maximum order limits, volatility and adaptation factors, entry and exit factors, profit targets, and information display settings. One feature that stands out is the integrated news filter. The EA can pause trading around scheduled news events, filter news by impact level, display events on the chart, and even close open positions during news periods if the user chooses to enable that functionality. Now, let us move over to the historical backtest results. When reviewing historical testing performance, I always focus on how the strategy behaves throughout the testing period rather than concentrating only on the final return figures. Since the developer specifically recommends M15 and several optimized symbols, those are the most relevant contexts when evaluating historical performance. Looking at the completed chart history, we will be able to, find out exactly how the EA performed. But before then, let us just analyze what we have provided here on the marketplace. Okay, this looks like the EA in action and the dashboard, but here the result, the strategy tester report shows us this should be $940. I don't know why this part was cropped out. I think this should be $940 total profit. And then this shows us about 4,007 profitable trades. Ah, I guess we're just going to go straight to our strategy tester. Okay. So we have a more complete image here. So here, initial deposit is $1,000. This is on XAU USD. Total net profits was over 7.8 million. Total trades 8,357. And profitable trades here were 6,177, giving us a 73.91% win rate. Okay, let's head over to our strategy tester. And I am testing the Jupiter EA on XAU USD on the M15 time frame as recommended. And I'm testing over the past 3 months in 2026. And looking at the reports from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit is 1,231.48. And we have 398 total trades taken, out of which 250 were profitable, giving us a 62.81% win rate. The largest profit was 778.39, while the largest loss was $130. Average profit 69.61, average loss $109.26. Now, I can also see that the maximum consecutive wins were 15, yielding $1,596.22, while the maximum consecutive loss were 10, yielding $907.21 loss. Okay, let's go turn on the visuals so that we can see the EA in action. So, looking at the completed chart history, the marketplace description suggests that the EA combines trend identification, box analysis, adaptive order placement, and grid-based trade management. While reviewing the historical activity, it is useful to observe how the EA responded to changing volatility conditions, how additional orders were managed, and how the built-in limitations influenced overall trade behavior. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments and economic conditions. As with any automated strategy, historical backtest results should be viewed strictly as historical analysis. Future performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, news events, and user optimization. Now, overall, the Jupiter EA offers a fully automated MT4 trading approach that combines box theory concepts, adaptive order management, news filtering, and configurable risk controls. Before considering live trading, it is important to perform your own testing and optimization to determine whether the EA's behavior aligns with your objectives and risk tolerance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.